All right, TikTok, YouTube, whatever platform I decide to put this on. I was not expecting to get Wednesday. Like, I haven't watched the Addams Family since like the 90s, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't really fuck with today's Wednesday or Addams Family. Like, I like the old school Addams Family with Angelica Houston, Raul Julia, Christina Ricci, Jimmy Workman, Christopher Lloyd, and John Franklin. Is it John Franklin? I'm pretty sure. But anyways, I like the 1993 cast. That is the one that I grew up with. So whatever. With that being said, I somehow ended up with the Wednesday American Girl doll. And no, I did not purchase her from the American Girl store because I wasn't interested. Plus, she sold out so quick. One of the homies on Vinted sold me her for a good deal. And so here she is. I put on black so we can match, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, definitely check out my YouTube video if you want to catch the whole video, unboxing, review, all that fun stuff. I was gonna say all that jazz, but whatever. All right. It looks so cool. Like if you put the lid in front of the box but not enclose it, like you just kind of have it in front of it, it looks like there's so much space for the doll to be displayed. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, it looks like the box is on, but you see all that space? It looks like the doll has, it's like an actual thing. Like a real life. Are these built-in dioramas? I think I'm just high. Okay. Let's see what number I got on the certificate. I know a lot of people are fans of the number doll they got on their certificate. So this is out of 6,000. So let's see what number she is. Drum roll. She is number 2,445 out of 6,000. I think that's pretty solid. Come on, top 2,500 on game. Love that. All right, so I just wanted to show you all a better close-up of Wednesday. I don't know if it looked good or not, so I wanted you all to see the details. And I also forgot to mention, so it's a W, very cool. But I also forgot to mention that her fingernails are painted black. I'm not sure if her toenails are painted black, but her fingernails are painted black. And we have the 2 bag of fish. And then we have Fame. But yes, this is Wednesday Addams. Alright, I just did a quick check and she does have her toenails and fingernails painted. So just a quick review. She has a necklace. She has her 2 bags of fish. She has her hands painted and her toenails painted. And she comes with Fame. So you do get a bang for your buck, and like I said, the quality is great. I have a great doll. I really love her. I think she's really cute, and I'm very fortunate and happy to have her in my collection. All right, so here's Wednesday out of her box finally. I mean, good Lord, they had Wednesday in there tied down, strapped, but I mean, it was expensive, so I'm not mad at it. Here are her fishies, piranhas. They look like piranhas. I will say that American Girl, for the price you're paying, you do get your money's worth. Like, these are pretty big. They look like life-size, like little fish. If I were to go to an aquarium and buy some fish, and the way they have it, the way they've made this look like water and everything, it's so freaking cool. Do you see this? I'm like really obsessed, but I think because I'm very, very high right now, so it looks so cool. Like, I feel like I can just play with this 2 bags of fish. Okay, let's not shake the fish up. LOL. All right, now let's get on to the review of the doll. Okay, so the dress, it feels like, I want to say, is it felt or what is it? Velcro? Not Velcro. What's the word that starts with the V? Velvet. Was that right? Was I right? It was giving me velvet vibes, but it's velour, and it's just a mix of like cotton and satin. But it feels really good. It feels really cool. Okay, so she obviously comes with the 2 bag of fish, and then we have Thing, who just, you can place him or it right on her right shoulder. It has a really good grip there. Her braids are sewed to her dress, so you can cut them and have them be loose. She comes with a Wednesday necklace. It has W on there. It's a nice solid plastic metal combination. The shoes are black, nice black shoes. Comes with a pair of socks or stockings. Yeah, just like she comes with the blah, blah, blah. She comes with black shoes and a black pair of tights. Her hairnet is still on, but this is her face, so you can see a good detail. Focus in on that. I think I got a great doll. She looks really good. I'm really happy that I was able to find her, because once again, I was on Vinted, spending money, not supposed to. You know this because you watch my Vinted doll hauls. But yeah, she was just on Vinted, and I was like, I can't let her go. This is a sign. You know what I'm saying? Especially because it's Halloween, and she's Hispanic. So it was during Hispanic Heritage Month that I purchased her. So I'm just like, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, do you guys have a Wednesday doll? Did you end up getting her and you weren't planning on getting her? I really do like her. She's the Josefina face sculpt, so that's nice. But you know, I don't want my whole collection to be full of Josefinas, Sonalis, and what's the other face they be using? Well, basically Josefina and Sonalis, alright? Y'all need to start using McKenna, bring back Addie, you know what I'm saying? Hell, bring Joss back, something. But yeah, but I'm just on a side tangent. Should I take her to the Halloween party that I'm going to? Like, I'm going to be a fairy, but I could totally dress down in some all black and be like, bitch, Wednesday, we the Addams family, on gang. I don't know. Like, I feel like she would have fun at the Halloween party, but I just don't know. Or any of you bringing your dolls out to the clubs? Because if y'all do, send me a photo. I think I might bring her. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. But anyways, she comes with, once again, she comes with 2 bags of fish, a total of 6 piranhas. She comes with Thing. She comes with her necklace. She has 2 ponytails, black pair of boots. Ella, I'm in the middle of a video. Ella, I'm in the middle of a video. Is it necessary? Ella. Is it? Sit down. Sit down. I'm in the middle of a video. Get. You better not move. Don't say nothing else. Don't say nothing else. I'm in the middle of a video. So anyways, she comes with 2 bags of fish, her dress, her necklace, her boots, her tights, and yeah, that's it. And Thing. So. Oops, not me dropping Thing, my bad, brother. Okay, you guys, that's it. Let me go see what my dog is doing. I gotta go. But thanks for watching, and like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz. Share it to your group chat, you know what I'm saying? And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.